ছিল। এই বিলুনিয়া শিক্ষিত ছিল সারা ত্রিপুরায়, তার মধ্যে ঋষ্যমুখ এবং শিক্ষিত জায়গা। আপনারা জানেন রাজ্যের
for the long movement we have given, but Delhi government has didn't agree our movement. Still, but we are not stopping unless and until the greater freedom is not getting. We will not stop our freedom. When India was fighting with Pakistan, that time also long way back behind, India was struggling like anything. But we are just staying in India, but we are not getting like the Indian. Still, many people and many states, they don't know what is Tipra, and they're asking what is Tipra state and why they're asking the greater Tipra land. If you compare in the northeast, if we compare Nagaland, Manipur, they have the right their own freedom. But in Tipra, why we are not getting any right freedom in Tipra?
I came in here. We have came from the 10 points here together here because we are today we are submitting whole over the Tipura, and we are from the Bilunia subdivision also we have submitted for to the SDM for the Greater Tripuralad vote. We had demand for the Greater Tripuralad to submit all the in the memorandum in the SDM, and today we have gathered for the Greater Tripuralad because we didn't get the same qualities or the same what we are supposed to get. We are not divided. Today we are fighting. We are not fighting for any religion, any tribe. We are fighting for the Greater Tripuralad. We are unity. We want to stay together and we want to fight for the development and for the equipment. What we have supposed to get should be equal and should be development. This is what we are coming in the roots to fight for the Greater Tripuralad. And we have seen that many people, and if we compare the ADC and the general area, we have seen many people are struggling about the health and education and water purpose, many purpose. But none of this government, they didn't see this, what is happening in the rural area. But only they have seen the development on the city, on the town, they have to develop. But in the village area, nothing has developed. That's why we need a Greater Tripuralad. If we get a Greater Tripuralad, every problem will be solved, and all the equal development should be getting, or everything what should be given in the town city, what we are getting, and in the rural area also is supposed to be get, and in the ADC area especially now we are not getting any facility because in the ruling government they didn't provide the same equipment to the rural area and ADC. Even if we compare to the school, education department, we have seen one teacher they have running the whole school, and in the health department, if we said that if we go for any treatment, we didn't get in proper treatment in the rural area, in health center, they have no doctor and no medicine for the equipment. For this, many have sense. We can see that sense is different from the city and in ADC area. That's what we need. Equal should be developed, or equal should be given everything. What is we are staying in Tipra, and why the state should be divided? We are the Indians. All the Indian government also to have this.